I'm not gonna talk about no man and woman something I love because the people that I'm getting are their feelings because you hear them say the truth hurts. I see them my inbox me my love and I talk off their mouths. Yeah, the truth hurts. But until a woman can call me and say they want to talk to me and I can relate to that woman's story, then I will talk about the woman's side. But yesterday, it was a guy that reached out to me and I was just talking about the situation. The woman come for me strong. But I'm not patient on mine. Because I can't see that she's slow. Is it true when I talk? Touch her can? Yeah. She feel like she could come address me with her outside herself. And you say more that double her up. I can feel the pain in a man. Me not tell you no lie. I can feel the pain in a man. So I ring up my hand yesterday, and I tell her, say, come like, say, the Anna would forgive me problem. I rebuke your Anna. Pain go away. Cha. Hi guys, welcome back to another live session with your girl Alicia, otherwise known as AKA Lisa with the Love Heart. Yeah, right, sir. Oh, what that? Somebody jazz? The son gonna get water. And then we go on next supermarket. And then we go and get we meat. So we come out late today. Because I did do some little chores in the house. Household chores. And I did upload some videos from a live session yesterday because somebody feel the need to inbox me and want to run off for a little dirty mouth 21 and over and run off for a little dirty mouth. And when I can say to her, if I come to my live I want to see me and chat and I want to chat anything I want to chat, make me chat. So anything me I talk, and if it offend you and you feel, thank you, and you feel like say you me I talk about, good use to you. Me say it already and me not stop say it. The big woman them where they are Canada, England and America, we love God, Jamaica, go take up little boy them who don't have no sense. Me say it and that me say. Go take up one farmer, one welder, somebody with little ambition and skill. All of a sudden, be a farmer inbox me. Be a farmer start inbox me. I tell me, say them a farmer. Yeah, it's a farmer me want, because when I go to Jamaica, I can't dead for hungry. Yeah, it's a farmer me want. So when I go to Jamaica, I can't dead for hungry. I say when I say already. And nobody can drape me. Because someone will go come on social media with another trigger finger, love type. I don't type too much. I want to not take either and listen. Stop taking the money on mine, man. And drop me see. I wanna like it, bite me. And I make me have to come by and start sending one part up, one place up, one wear. Yeah. So I was talking yesterday about a situation that somebody called and tell me about, and I feel to talk about it. So until one girl call, thank you Big T, until one girl call me and tell me about their situation, then I can adjust it. But right now I cannot address nothing because I don't know. Until one man call me and can tell me something, then I can address it. Well, me did up on my live and me say me want one farmer I want a skill man, a man with ambition. That me say. I want a street rat. I want a street boy. I don't want no dancehall piggy. I don't want no nincompoop. You hear them slang there?
Nincompoop.
Yeah. I don't want nobody when I have up here, so I want somebody who can add 2 plus 2 and know say 4. I don't want hear me I tell one boy 2 plus 2 and him I tell me 2 again. Because I don't understand. And I have no time for teach. Yeah. Skill and ambition, that me say. Can they a foreigner work on a good money? I have some big old nurse girl in a them situation, yeah. Nurse, big nurse. Buy all when a dress gone down a married man. Buy ring, buy dress, girl buy everything. Give your card?
No, sorry.
You got this.
Was it condensed milk?
I need this amount for just for milk. Yeah. Me say it. I'm talking to my friends, okay? My son say him got the shopping. Okay, man got work. I have the money. Can I have a chocolate? Dina! Big Tev say I want chocolate. What kind of chocolate you want? What kind of chocolate you want? Big Tev, what kind of chocolate you want? You want one Twix? My son said, later mommy can't bother with me, I'm a foolish. My son said, later mommy, let me take off the filter. My son said, look, I can't take off the filter. Because my face is so. It's a real face so. So I don't need filter. Yes, yesterday I up on my live and I was talking. And I not take back my talk when I say, "Una idiot." Every day you go up on the YouTube and you go through YouTube and you scroll, you go hear them. Me find one man in Jamaica and he take me money. What the bomber clock do no? Nobody take no money? No one send it. Somebody can't stay at Jamaica and take no money. Wanna know company internet and find one nice little young girl we have kids and like something happened to them dad and the young lady has struggle with the kids them and you can see say she have potential because she have work and the kids them need little help. Even if you buy like ice cream, you can't companies on social media and find somebody that need no money, genuinely need no money. I am 64 builder with property all over the UK. Yeah. What you have to do, you have to start. Since you don't have spare money and you don't know what to do with the money, you don't have no family for help down there, and you want to help somebody, take the money and like even adopt like one child in a Jamaica where you can sponsor them. Not adopt, sponsor. Like if you send one little girl go to school or one little boy go to school where you see have potential and like the mother and father can't afford it. Them something that me prefer to do with my money. But you don't behave yourself and make me talk. You don't make me talk. Anyway, stop put out information on TikTok what we happen down. Banana yo. Stop put out information on something. Tappy, you know used to TikTok, you know. Be careful what you type say and everything you have to put up here so. Yeah, wanna find one little nice. I find one lady. We have 3 girls, and I am liking this young lady because this young lady work. I love flowers, yeah. And me like the little girls them. Me not have no daughter, me always wanted a daughter. But me no like say trying people a struggle. No. Me not like say trying people a struggle. So anybody that on my life and I hear me a talk about this young lady, me not go call no name. But she's a nice little young lady. And that's nice. Ambition. She's a nice little young lady, but her baby father passed away. And things now go how it's supposed to go, and the family member them put her out of the family house where they left her in. And today me I listen to her story, and she said to me, they want to sell the house, but them can't sell the house because before the man dead, he put him picking them name on it. So the other kids them want to sell the house can't sell the house without her signing. And this is another thing where me always talk about. When you have asset and you have kids, put things on pen and paper. Put things in order, because tomorrow is not guaranteed for nobody. Yeah. It's a good thing the guy set up the kids them. But what me not like is like family members. If the man and the woman and the 3 kids them they live in the house and him pass away, why would the older kids them feel the need to put out the lady? That wasn't nice. Why the older kids them feel the need to put out the woman and her 3 kids and a girl? And the thing is, then they are foreign. It's not like they even want the house. Them just being spiteful because they know so the man they love the woman. Them father dead, them fly down and come put out the woman and want to sell the house and can't sell the house. Some people not understand themselves. When me hear her story this morning, she gonna have money one day because the house a go sell, and when the house sell, them a get for them cut. But the woman a struggle. But the good thing with her, she try to work. Today the woman says she do all construction work up on site. Them type of people, them we take up my money and say, Them type of people there, we take up my money and bless. Thank you. This morning me bless her. And me say to her, me just simple say to her, me I go call, me I go text somebody and ask you one thing. And me I show you so me can get it. And she laugh. But one thing with me have people around me. All if me not chat to them. Once me take up my phone and say me hungry, me not have this or me not have that, me I go get it. May God bless people. Me bless you and somebody else I go bless me twice the amount when me give you. Because there's a God. So then type of people here, me we bless them. You see anybody where support me, Me will support you. But you have some people then don't support you, but they want your things. It no works so. It no works so. See, my mother they are Jamaica, you know. And when me fly down, people carry fruits, people carry this, people carry that, come give me. But when them carry come give you still, it no means that them a give you free. They want something else from you. You must know, say, yes, I'll give them a thing. But what me I say is, when me fly away, why I wanna not continue carry something go give me mother? And make me hear my mother say, you know, say Mary or John carry something come give me. Just like when you did down here and carry the cane and the mango and the jelly. Me now I go say to my mother, Mommy, me I go send something come give you. Give him this. I saw it going on. You don't have no sense, man. Me's a kind-hearted girl and me I tell you say, good God, man. Sometimes when you can go check your woman and say, Mommy, you need no help, you need something. Make me hear my mother call me and say to me, you know, say, Mary did come look for me and help me out. Me now I go say me no dead so, Mommy, when me send that money I come give you, give them something out of it. I saw it going on. You not come round. Thank you. You not come round, but you no want things and I saw it go. One hand can't clap. You help, me help back. You can't just stretch so and a stretch so and a stretch so. I said this morning when time me hear the girl's story, I was touched. So I said to her, let me see little girl them. Little girl them pretty as the people. Yeah. And the man passed away. And she said to me, say when time the man is up on his feet and alive, cause he have that. Him said the whole of him friend them ever come round him. I know that him pass away. Him friend them should have still come check up on the little girl and ask them if them good, evil. No, me not say I want to forgive her money all the time, but now and then, man, come on, man, good God, get her something sometimes so she can cook a good, nice Sunday dinner and buy a little ice cream for the pitney them. The man pass away. Him friend them should have come to and say, you see like how John gone, me I come for the youth them and carry them go somewhere make them enjoy themselves. Remember so the man used to look after one, you know. Remember him exactly when the man did alive and having money and all on and yam it out. It wasn't a problem. Now him pass away, whole on a turn on the back for the woman. I don't know if it's tears some man. It's not nice. People only like you when they can benefit from you. Once they can benefit from you, you're never a friend no more. Because the man passed away, you don't think so, you should still reach out to the girl and say, here, well, you know, see your baby father gone, you know, but he was a good man. Let me send this congio. Alright, back to school now. When the kids them go back to school, you have everything for the little youth. Them you have like them bag and them book. Remember some you used to name out the man money, you know. Some of the man on a licky no blood clot. On a licky till it on a licky too much. When man have money and alive on a dead and when the man pass you know. On if you still go check the baby mother and ask her if she good. On wasn't a friend. On was a frenemy. A true. When you're up, everybody like you. When you're down, you don't see them. When you're up, everybody gravitate to you, and when you're down, nobody no see you. Nobody don't see you when you're down. People see you when you're up. But me just sit back here now and share flashback in my head. I hear a story, I kind of feel that way. Right now, I talk, it a touch me, so I have to go left the argument there. I vex bad. I don't know her TikTok me meet her upon. But I notice anytime she see me post and so, she always like it. You can't know real people, you know. You see that TikTok here? You see that TikTok business here? A lot of people gonna find real people, genuine people on it. A lot of people are gonna find true love on it. And a lot of people are gonna get hurt from it. And a lot of people are gonna have all sorts of something going on it. Wait, let me change my settings. Let me change my settings. But me listen to her story this morning and I tell her say it touch me. People just stay with you because when them can benefit from you, once them can't benefit from you no more, then cut. Thank you for watching. This video is about 1.5 hours long. So I'm just gonna give you part 1. And I will think about coming up with a part 2 and then I think part 3. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.